Do you know what is the most important relationship in our life? That is the relationship with ourself and our body. And that is what our child should be able to learn at the very first stage. This particular module is being specifically designed to create the child's relationship with his or her own body. In this module, the child will not only recognize the body parts with their names, but will also understand the functions of different body parts. It's a completely guided step-by-step pathway-based module where you can support your child in recognizing the body parts, understanding their functions, and then practice these concepts through worksheets, flashcards, and fun, engaging activities. So if you think that your child is at a stage where he or she needs to build that connection with the body, needs to understand the body parts and their function, then this module is for you. Click on the link below and get this module for yourself. Good luck. I'll see you inside the course.